So over here, you can see that I have this timeline right here. And what you can do is you can go around and bring in composite shots inside of it as well. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around and make a composite shot right here, let me just keep it to composite shot 1 and keep the resolution to normal right here. So this is what I have. So now I'm going to go around and bring in some footages over here on this particular composite shot. And let me just go around and then transform this right here and then change around the, let's say, for example, scale right here, just like this for this composite shot, and keep it right here. Similarly, I'm going to go around and then bring in this logo over here, just like this as well, and keep it right over here, just like this. So now on the editor, you can see that this is the composite shot, and here I can go around and composite things together. So now what you can also do is you can go around and directly bring in these composite shot right here into the timeline and edit them. So let me just go around and group them by media. And under composite shot, you can see this composite shot right here. So I can just go around and bring it in right here on my timeline, as you can see. And then the composite shot is here. And the composite shot comes in as a video clip, as you can see right here, which is transparent as well. So you can go around and place it, and then let's say, for example, rotate it, keep it as you like, as you can see right here. And with the composite shot, what happens is that if I were to go around and double click it, it opens up the composite shot over here. So I can go around and make some adjustments right here, just like this. And on the editor, you see that the changes are reflected, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go around and add in more composite shots right here as well. So I'm just going to go around and let's say, for example, make this into a composite shot right here. So there's another composite shot. So now you can go around and bring that onto the editor as well, and then work around with it as regular video clips. You can go around and then let's say, for example, cut the composite shot over here and delete out components over here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and manage. But the composite shot itself is full right here and does not get cut off. So this is simply acting like a video clip right here. So all the composite shots in the timeline acts as single video clips that you can go around and individually edit. And that is how you can work around with composite shots in timeline. And you can see that it's well integrated together. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.